In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record directly from your dashboard and save it straight to your account. To get started, open your dashboard and look for the record option. This is where you can begin creating your video or audio without needing any extra software or a separate upload afterward. Once you click record, your device may ask for permission to use your camera and microphone. This is completely normal, and it's an important step because the platform needs access in order to capture your video and audio properly. When that permission prompt appears, make sure you allow both the camera and microphone. If you skip this or accidentally block access, the recorder may not work as expected. If that happens, you may need to go back into your browser or device settings and enable those permissions before continuing. It's also a good idea to quickly check that the correct microphone and camera are selected, especially if you use external equipment like a USB mic or webcam. Taking a few seconds here can help you avoid technical issues later. After access is allowed, you can start recording. Speak clearly, make sure you're in a quiet environment if possible, and keep your camera steady if you're recording video. Good lighting and clear sound can make a big difference, even for simple recordings. If you're presenting information, it may help to have your key points ready beforehand so your recording feels smoother and more confident. One of the biggest advantages of recording this way is that your file saves directly to your account. That means there's no need to download the recording first and then upload it manually afterward. This saves time and keeps the process much simpler, especially if you're creating content regularly or working quickly. Once your recording is complete, it will already be stored in the right place, ready for you to access and continue working with. This direct-to-account workflow is especially useful because it reduces extra steps and minimizes the chances of losing track of a file on your device. Everything stays organized within your account from the start. That's all there is to it. Open the dashboard, select record, allow your camera and microphone, and capture your content knowing it will save directly to your account with no upload needed. If you follow those steps carefully, you'll have a smooth and efficient recording experience every time.